Here we've got the latest and greatest Transparent Overdrive. It's transparent because you can see right through it, but it also doesn't affect anything in terms of your frequency and stuff playing the guitar. So that's my unaffected clean sound. And this is being routed to this little tube amp back here, and it's about 5 watts or so. Nothing too powerful. Anyway, so now it's on. If it's all the way down on 0 like that, that's just unity gain. And this goes up pretty far in gain. Ordinarily, I would have like a 250K pot in there, and this has got a 500. So this is appreciably more gain that's been in previous models of this. You can tell it's a lot louder already. And this goes up ridiculously loud. Let me get a... So it's not distortion, it's just overdriving the front of the amp there. To me it sounds pretty good on about 3 there. Anyway, get it now. I don't make these that often. This is the one.